A catastrophic gear failure stops your trip, but a catastrophic partner failure can end your life. In systems engineering, a chain's load capacity is defined by its weakest link. In expedition mechanics, your maximum velocity is strictly limited by the slowest physiology in the group. This is an etiquette. It is a hard safety constraint. A 10% variance in loaded walking pace creates a separation vector. If the faster hiker doesn't modulate their output, a 0.5 km/h difference creates a 3-kilometer communication blackout zone within just 6 hours. This leads to the rubber band fatigue cycle. The faster partner stops to wait and recovers, the slower partner arrives exhausted, and the fast partner immediately starts moving again. The slower partner gets zero recovery time, accelerating lactate accumulation and glycogen depletion. You must synchronize rest intervals based on the trailing member's heart rate recovery, not the leader's boredom. Interpersonal friction is often just biology masquerading as personality. Glycogen depletion triggers cortisol release and impairs the prefrontal cortex, literally shutting down your ability to process logic or empathy.
We optimize pack weight by sharing subsystems, the shelter, the stove. However, critical life support nodes, ignition sources, navigation, and massive hemorrhage control must remain redundant. Never split the first aid kit.
Don't split shared weight 50-50. Split it based on power-to-weight ratios to equalize caloric burn. If partner A has a functional threshold power, FTP, 20% higher than partner B, they carry that proportionately in the load.
For bikepackers, the partner system is an aerodynamic asset. Drafting reduces the trailing rider's energy expenditure by up to 30%. Rotate the lead every 15 minutes to manage the collective energy bank.
Democracy works in the planning room. It fails in the hypoxic zone. You need a pre-established Veto Protocol. If one partner flags a safety risk, the motion carries immediately. No debates on the ridgeline. The group must move at a pace that prevents the heavy sweater from wetting out their base layer. Once insulation enters the wet-out phase, its R value drops near zero, introducing hypothermia risk during static halts. Most groups skip the alignment phase. Discuss your abort criteria before you leave the trailhead. Is the goal to summit at all costs, or returning with 10 fingers and toes? Misaligned goals are time bombs.
You can upgrade a sleeping bag or patch a tire. You cannot upgrade an unreliable teammate at 4,000 meters. Choose your partner with stricter criteria than your survival kit.
Plan the system, trust the physics, survive the trip.